Alright, I am going to be shooting my basketball. This new rim. It's an NBA miniature rim. So we're gonna do this, okay? I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 8 o'clock. Alright. I'll just get this for getting held. Let's see if this is a good spot. Alright, so put you down. No, that's not good. Right here. Hello. No, we're just gonna. What are we gonna do? Yeah, we'll just play from the hand. It shoots. Oh, that's just. Oh, no. Get back. Get over here. He shoots.